For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and hit on the notification icon so you get notified when I release new videos. Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we learn how if you click on the data grid field, any content, this is what I want to say. Yes, if you click on this one like this, it will show the corresponding values in the corresponding text boxes. So how do you do that? I'll show you. Just double click on the data grid view and it takes you to its cell content click. And inside its cell content click, you see if you see inside its content click, this is the code you need to type, but connecting this hospital 90. So if E, which is this E means an event. If the row index, which is the row number, let's say if you click on let's say if you click, so this first row is an index, so the index of the first row is 0, this 1, this 2, this 3. So if you click here or that, it should do something. So that's an index. So if the index is greater or equal to 0, then this is what we're going to do. The data grid view row is equal to this data grid view index. So if it is equal to that, then we need to get our values from our data grid view into the text boxes. So you just need to make sure that your corresponding text box name corresponds to the name of the value you want to, and the name is here, the name with your data grid view header. So let's give it a try, guys. If you click on this, it should show, and you can see it working.